y'all can see, my bed is already made up. Not really, I halfway did it, but forget it, because I'm gonna jump right in my bed when I get home in the morning. For cream vibes today. These are just some Dickie scrub pants I bought like months ago. I found them in my storage. This shirt from Target. They're my favorite shirts. I have like a bunch of them. They're from the New Day brand. I wear my cream Columbia jacket today, and hold on y'all, I got this little thing from Etsy. I'm about to unbox some stuff with y'all, but look how cute my badge really is. Like, oh my goodness, it's like Starbucks. So I'm wearing that today. In the bag, I'm wearing this Longchamp bag. This is the OG one. I've had this for, because I was like a sophomore in college. So yeah, I'm wearing this one. I just bought a brand new pink one too, but this one has lasted me, I mean, I've been out of college almost a year now, so like 3 years now. So she's the bag I'm wearing today. So I'm about to wash my face and everything. I want to show you guys my new little headband. Y'all know I love the little headbands. Look at this one. Y'all know I love Hello Kitty. Look at that. And I bought some cute Hello Kitty slippers to match it. It is so cute. Look at that, how girly that is. I'm using my white sleeves. Somebody commented on one of my videos. They was like, you are so like extra. Do you really need these? First of all, y'all, do y'all know what this is for? This is literally to keep water from falling down your wrist. Do you know how disgusting it feels, especially if you got on your work clothes or something and you're rushing to get ready for work and your clothes getting wet? So you need these. So the link is in my Amazon storefront. I want y'all to see the hair. My sister Jada did my hair. She the one that does my hair. So I got this like deep wave hair. So cute. I'm gonna link the hair in my Amazon storefront if y'all want to know where I got my hair from. Everything looks pretty good. It's just my lashes aren't done. Like, they're looking like a hybrid set right now. I love getting volume sets because when they fall off they look super natural. Like, this looks super natural. So yeah, my lashes been on 2.5 weeks. Do my baby hairs. My hair's pretty much done, but I'm gonna swoop right here one more time, and this side still looks pretty good. So I'm not gonna do much I'm not gonna do anything to this side. This side looks good, but you can tell I sleep on this side, so I'm gonna fix it. Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and try to put this over all this hair. Ooh, child. Literally, I'm in a choke. Look at this. What the can y'all see it? Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Now my skin is actually trying to clear up. I don't know. I'll keep in the same skin regimen. Like, I still have acne scarring because I pick at my skin all the time. Just start my cycle today, so my skin probably is gonna break back out in 5 days. So yeah, I'll just appreciate the bumps going flat for right now. I'm just gonna use this Neutrogena one because I need something to wake me up. I almost bought the orange one, but I've been liking using this, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's supposed to clear breakouts. I always buy Neutrogena products but never be consistent with them because they're cheap. You know, it's different when you have expensive products because you get like, I need to use this and get my money's worth. So I'm just gonna wash my face. So I think somebody said, no, it was on TikTok. I had made it Get Ready With Me on TikTok. And they was like, do you wash your face like with a face towel? I'm like, first of all, TikTok is only like a minute long. So I can't fit every single thing in my TikTok. Like, I can't fit me taking a shower. Like, I can't do all that, and I'm not gonna freaking do that. I was like, yeah, I wash my face with a face towel. She said, wash your face with a face towel. I blocked her so quick. Don't play with me. I wash my face. I'm just using this little exfoliator with my Neutrogena acne wash. It's been almost 2 weeks. I got monetized October 24th. And I cannot believe it because I only have like 10 videos on my channel. And I'm pretty sure by the time I post this video, I'll have about 3K subscribers. And it's like, I cannot believe it. And I've already touched like, some people make separate videos, but I've made quite a good money for it to only been about not even a full 2 weeks yet. So just imagine if, you know, my account was monetized when I posted my first Get Ready With Me. And I believe I'm monetized, and it's all because of you guys watching my video. I really don't like this face wash because it doesn't lather up, but it makes me feel like I'm weak. A lot of people ask me what camera I use, and I need to start putting it in my bio, but it's the Sony ZV-1. I bought it two years ago. Like, when I first made my first YouTube video, I didn't even use it. Like, my first YouTube video was like a what's in my Tory Burch bag, and I used my phone because I was just still using my iPhone. So now I'm using my camera often, so if my video look like good quality, it's the Sony ZV-1. I paid like $1,000 something for it at Best Buy. Very good investment. I love it. I'm still trying to learn how to use it. I'm just going to take my witch hazel and spray it on my face while it's wet. I have very large pores, like extreme large pores, but my skin is super oily. They're actually cute. Yeah. Yeah. Should I start holding my camera more? I don't know. So, I'm just brushing my teeth. It's these like fuzzy things just getting all over my stuff. They say you're supposed to use a small drop of toothpaste. But I use like a whole line of toothpaste on my toothbrush. Then I put water on it and it'll fall right off. And I'll do it again. So here's my Laneige Gummy Bear lip balm. Y'all know I love Laneige products. And I wear lip gloss to work too. Even if my mask be on my face, I don't care. Look how pretty this is. I'm doing it in my lips. I got some pretty lips. Somebody say I sound like I'm, when I talk, somebody gonna say on my what's in my Louis Vuitton bag video, somebody said that I talk like I'm out of breath. And I watched the video back because I watch the videos when I'm editing, but I really don't actually watch the videos back because I don't like hearing myself talk. I don't want to see what y'all see. And then she was like, you out of breath, sis. I need you to calm down. But y'all, I have anxiety. Like, I'm going to talk like I'm out of breath. This is a lot doing this, but I'm trying to be consistent. But I'm gonna have to like, and I also don't want to break up the video a lot because it just doesn't seem natural. Like, I talk super fast and I don't take breaks in between my words. So when I finish my sentence, that's when I take a deep breath. So yeah, I'll work on it, but I really don't care because if you know me, then yeah, you know. This is the best lip balm out there. Look at my lips. Mwah. So I'm just gonna put on my lip gloss. This one, the Beats by Stores 10K1 in bubblegum. I have like 10 of them. They're only $1. Okay, y'all, so I'm just taking my Lotta Body and my comb. I already put some on the comb and I'm just like doing my swoop like this. Just like that. I have to do it in my mirror first before I look in the camera just to make sure I'm doing it right. But it looks pretty good to me. Yeah. I'm not even gonna touch right here. I'm gonna let Jada fix it, my sister. My brows actually need threaded. Like, they look good, but it's been a month. I haven't got my brows threaded in 3 weeks. So it's been almost a month. So I'm just gonna take this and this spoolie and do this. I'm not even gonna put brow gel on them because they're already growing out pretty thick. So I'm just gonna get this to comb it out. And that's pretty much it. All I'm doing to the brows is all I'm doing to my face. Yeah, I'm not the type to wear makeup to work. I do not wear makeup to work. I just do my brows like this. I get them threaded. If they're not threaded, I'll use brow gel. But today I'm not wearing brow gel because I like the way my brows look. They look pretty full on their own. So I'm just taking my spoolie to make sure they're in the right place. And the brows look pretty good to me. You can't even tell. Like, I already have brows. This is my natural brow shape. But my hair go crazy like right here. So I always get it like cleaned up. So I just get my brows cleaned up. But this is really how my brows look. So when they get to this point, I don't put on brow gel. So it's like 5:12, 5:15-ish. My phone is on the charger. We're doing so good on time. I usually don't leave the house until about 6:15, 6:22 to go to work. So yeah, we're doing really good on time. My hair, everything is already done. I just have to put on my clothes. My lunch is packed already. I packed it when I got my pizza yesterday. So I'm just gonna insert my clip with me packing up my pizza because it's already in the box and everything. Show you guys that little clip real quick. So I'm back home now and I just cleaned my fridge out. I haven't finished putting all my groceries up, but I'm about to take an eating break. So on the side of my door, I just have like pickles. The pink ones are my favorite ones, so like Sassy Bites. And then I just have like some Velveeta cheese, some butter. This pure Irish butter is really good. And then I have my favorite like spread to put on like bread and stuff. My hands are crusty, y'all. Cinnamon sugar spread. It is so good. I use that. Got some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna make some homemade pizzas tomorrow. Got these water bottles, the Good & Gather brand from Target. I got some pizza for dinner tonight. My eggs in an acrylic container. My dairy stuff. I got some marshmallow with cream from Target today. Some sweet cream. All this from Target. Some almond milk. My oatmeal cookie creamer. Got some lemonade, orange juice. My favorite Cokes. I think I told y'all that I love like vanilla Coke. I got that from Kroger today. I got some mini apples, some kiwi, some sandwich stuff to make my turkey sandwiches. I got some lettuce and this here. Right there, I got some Lunchables. And I go to the grocery store, I have me some turkey Lunchables. And I go to the grocery store once a week. So this is what I got for this week. And I also buy food out, but I usually like cook and stuff. So in my freezer, on the side of the door, I just have these Red Robin biscuits, some garlic knots. cookies, these Trader Joe hash browns, my favorite Hot Pockets, which is the 4-cheese pizza one. This is just the Target brand bacon, so I got this from Target. I got these vegetables to make my chicken pot pie later this week. Some beef smoked sausages. Got this salmon here. Hopefully it's good. It's like spicy and sweet. I got some chicken wings, some ground beef, some lamb chops right here. I'll make that later this week. I have this margarita pizza, some chicken nuggets, or like honey chicken nuggets, so good. Some codfish sticks. I got a hand-tossed barbecue chicken pizza from DiGiorno. My favorite power bowls, they're at Target, the Healthy Choice one. These are the Healthy Choice ones. These are my favorite like store-bought power bowls. Some corn, these soup dumplings from Trader Joe's. I usually buy like one a week, and I'll eat it with like chili oil. My favorite ice cream, which is the cookies and cream blueberry ice cream. I bought a whole big old tub of it. Top of my refrigerator, I just have some cereal. This is the quencher I'm using here. It's the cream one. My vanilla Coke is going to my lunch bag. And here is my cheddar ruffles. And I'm just bringing some pizza. So I have some chicken and banana pepper pizza from Garibaldi's. And I'm gonna probably put some, this is what I'm gonna put in my work bag to snack on. I love goldfish crackers, and cheddar jack are my favorite. And my lunch is packed. Here's one of my Target boxes. I have literally so much stuff from Target. So we're doing really good on time. And I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get me some coffee too. Gold one. I love them so much. I already opened them. It was like a plastic covering over them. I had to crack this open. Like I had to. But let me show you guys. So here got my beads. And I'm all for like spoiling yourself and everything. So they come in like this black and rose gold packaging. And this is how it looks. So I'll show you guys how it looks on my ear. I bought some new underwear. You always need underwear. And usually when I'm about to get on my cycle, when I know I'm about to get on my cycle, I'll just order panties. I got this like gray 2-piece set from Target. I got it in gray and I got it in black. I want to insert a clip of this set because I'm not going to unbox it. I just wanted a backup of it. It's like my favorite thing. But here's a clip. Y'all don't judge me. I was trying to find like a scenery to take photos while I was out. So here's this 2-piece set right here. I also got it in black, so I'm just gonna keep it in this packaging. I bought these little purple shorts. I'm opening this up. As you can see, the outfit I have on today is from Target. The little shorts I got are from Target. It's the same brand from Wild Fable. So I just got these shorts in this purple color. I don't even know what's in here. So here's this box that's still sealed. I don't have my keys. God dang. God dang, I don't have my keys. Let me try to see if this lip gloss is sharp enough. There we go. For lip gloss. I don't know what's in here. Oh my goodness, you guys, Target has these cute mugs. Look at this gingerbread mug. Do y'all see how cute it is? And I got a matching plate to go with it, you guys. Oh my gosh. So that was in that box by itself. And I bought 2 things of disinfectant wipes. And I go to Target every week, but sometimes they don't have in stock what I need. So when that happens, I'll just order everything offline. Boots. I'm so excited. These super cute denim boots. I'm gonna show you guys like the skirt that I'm gonna wear with it and the top I got from Pretty Little Thing. I'm waiting on the skirt to come in the mail to wear it, but these denim boots from Ego, this is a stellar heel. Come on, y'all know I like to dress up. Pretty Little Thing stuff. Okay, what do we have in here? I hope my camera don't die. So we just have some clothes. This is like a top. I don't know. I just bought me some chocolate Uggs. So I got these chocolate leggings to go with those Uggs. They're basically the chocolate color from Uggs. Oh, with the boots, I'm wearing this shirt right here. This under bust top. So to go with those boots. And I'm going to show you the skirt. I already showed y'all the skirt. Then I got me to go with my little chocolate leggings and my chocolate Uggs. I got me this super cute top. So I'm gonna pair that with my chocolate stuff. I love fall, so during the fall time I just wear a lot of dark chocolate. I wear a lot of dark brown clothes during fall, so I got this dark brown jacket. I have the gray and black one from Pretty Little Things, and it's such a good material. My favorite shirts from Pretty Little Things, I had them on sale for $12. I got like 2 different colors this time. They're just easy to just throw on. This is just the pink one. Yeah, I got it in gray. Another gray, I think. But in this color, it's just easy to just throw on with some leggings. Pretty little things as well. These cute blue leggings right here. I don't know if y'all can look at it, but I got the pink one literally to match it like a couple weeks ago, so I just bought it in green. This is the underwear to match that little pink t-shirt. Then I got some more little headbands from Ego. I got this purse to go with those thigh-high denim boots, their white shirt, and I'm wearing that denim skirt. So this is the purse more of the outfit. It's gonna be so cute, and it's gonna have silver detail. Little things. I bought this pretty corset that I can't even fit. I bought it too big. I bought this corset actually to go with this super cute mini skirt, but I'm gonna have to find me another top to wear with this skirt because it's so cute. If you watch my first Get Ready with me, you know I bought those New Balances. So this is cute to just wear with that. So I'm just gonna wear like a white oversized jacket. This is from Amazon. So I bought another mug. I had to show you guys. This is what I unboxed. This is getting so small. Like this is a medium in the Dickie scrubs, but like it's so big on my waist. And I don't know, it's making me look like a square. With my body like a square. And I'm bloated because y'all know I'm on my period. But here's my work bag with my new badge that I showed y'all. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show y'all this. I won like a treat in my job, like kangaroo-thon. So when you have parents do kangaroo or skin to skin care with your babies, you put your name in the drawing. So I won a $10 Chick-fil-A card. And I got me some goodies in here. So I'm just used that one day. I just don't have enough money. It's dark outside. I'm sorry. Lighting's not perfect. But got my work bag. My shoes are downstairs. I have on my socks. Oh, we have to pick out the perfume. Y'all seen the perfume stand. So here's my little perfume stand here. I'm probably going to wear this one. My little sister got me this one for my birthday. It's the Billie Eilish. So this is the one I'm going to wear. Get you, Kayla. I love it. So this is the scent of the day. Y'all, so I'm just going to spray this everywhere. Y'all don't have a good angle. But this is a scent. It smells so good. Perfect perfume for fall. It smells like cocoa and vanilla. I'm pretty sure cocoa is the scent in this, y'all. And it's super light for work, but I'm only gonna wear this today for work. I'm never gonna wear this to work again. It's gonna be my like everyday scent for the fall. But I love it so much, and I was like, oh, I've been waiting for the fall and winter time to wear this. So I said, let me just wear it to work since I look all cute. And I'm gonna wear it tomorrow because I'm going out tomorrow. So yeah, this is my perfume. And I hope y'all like the little home tour video I did on the last Get Ready With Me. Showed y'all like my favorite room. I'm scared of the dark, so that's why every light on is in my house. But I'm about to put on my shoes and pack up. My lunch bag is already packed. I already showed y'all that clip. So I'm about to get it out of the refrigerator and go to Starbucks because right now it's like 6:05 and I try to leave out the house by 6:15 if I want to go to Starbucks. Okay, y'all, so here's my hokas, the cream ones. So pretty. I think they're an eggnog. You can get them from like Nordstrom. I think I got mine from Nordstrom. Or no, Foot Locker. Foot Locker had my size. So they're so cute, you guys. Ugh, I'm very dramatic though. It's like I always want shoes to match my work cups. But let me zoom in so y'all can see these. Look at that. Look how pretty they are. They're like perfect. You don't have to just wear these to work. You can wear them to the gym, wherever else you like, honey. My lunch is already packed. Here's my Stanley cup. So here's my cream Stanley cup. It matches my jacket and my shoes. I'm about to go to Starbucks, so I'm probably gonna film on my phone. But I'm gonna get a venti cup of ice water and I'm gonna put it in this cup. I need to give me some snacks out my pantry. Y'all, Target had the mini chips. Do you see how cute that is? I ate my Cool Ranch one. So here's the fit. Y'all seen my new badge reel from Etsy. I want one more Stanley cup to go with this rosy pink Longchamp badge. So every 6 weeks I switch from days to nights. So I'm gonna be on nights actually for the rest of the year. And then the first of the year I'm going to days. So I have to do 2 night rotations this time. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film that twice a month for y'all with other content videos. I know y'all said y'all wanted a makeup video, so I'm gonna post that probably at the same time I post this video. You guys enjoyed this little Get Ready With Me. This one's pretty short. So let me know any other content ideas you guys have or that you guys would like to see. My earrings are in my car. I left my diamond earrings in my car. Don't be like me. So we're about to go to Starbucks. You guys, I just get an ice blonde chestnut praline latte from Starbucks. I forgot to say exactly what my Starbucks order was, but thank you guys so much for watching.